tutorial of Google Analytics 4 tracking. I'm Rahul Mandol, expert in Google Analytics 4 enhanced e-commerce tracking and Facebook pixel conversion tracking, and as well as I'm expert in Google Ads conversion tracking, LinkedIn tracking. So if you are looking for this service, you can have me. I will set up every tag in a very customized way and very perfectly. So if you want to track data accurately, then have me. So in this tutorial, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a property for your website, how to create an account, Google Analytics 4 account, and how to connect your Google Analytics 4 to your website. So I'm going to show you in WordPress website how to connect your Google Analytics 4 to the WordPress website through Google Tag Manager. So first of all, you have to create an account. For that, I have already created lots of accounts, you can see here. So I will add a property here for a new website. You have to create an account from here, you can see. And now I'm not creating account, I'm creating a property for my website. And I'll give a property name. So you can see it is in demo website, and this is a cosmetic website. So for example, I am giving this name cosmetic, and you have to select your country, your reporting time zone. So let's select my country, and you can see here by default the time zone has been selected, and currency, you just select the currency of your country. So I'll type here Indian rupee here. So then click on next, and here you can see here, help us tailor your experience by answering the following. You have to select the industry category. This is mandatory, you can say, because every business has the benchmark. So according to the benchmark, you have to analyze the data. That's why you have to select your industry from here. So in case of mine, I have cosmetic products, that's why I'm selecting shopping here. So you can select this small, medium, large, very large. So if when you are selecting this, you are giving this data to Google. So if you are giving the misinformation, suppose I don't have 501 employees, but I am selecting it, then the Google is receiving the wrong information from here. So I am selecting the small. And how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Check all that apply. Here you can select all these things because it helps you to analyze the data later. You have to select all this. So create. Now I am creating property for my website. There are three options: Android app, you can create property for your Android app, iOS app, as well as website. So as I'm creating property for my website, so after selecting this, I have to paste the URL of the website. So this is the URL. the URL is different. Okay, so remove the https slash and name it here. This is my demo website, so I'm giving this name. Now create streams. So the property is creating now. It has been created. You can see here data collection is not active for your website. If you install tag more than 84 hours ago, make sure they are set up correctly. You have to set up your tag first, then it will be solved. So now first of all we have to connect this GA4 this GA4 account, GA4 property with this Google Tag Manager. So first of all you have to create Google Tag Manager. In the previous video I showed you how to create Google Tag Manager first. So before that, first of all you have to connect this GTM code with this website, this WordPress website. Then you have to connect GA4, then you have to connect GA4 through this measurement ID with your GTM, with your Google Tag Manager. So let's set up the first thing. Now I'm going to show you how to connect this GTM code with this website. So to connect the GTM, Google Tag Manager, with the website, you have to go to the backend of this website. So first go to the backend of your website. So I am going to the backend of my website first. So after coming to the backend of your website, first of all you have to download a plugin. You have to install a plugin. The name of that plugin is Google Tag Manager. This is the plugin every e-commerce business owner use, because this plugin will help you to set up every tag to track every events standardly. There are many plugins, but that is not good. Google Tag Manager plugin. Google Tag Manager. Okay, sorry, just add new. Just search from here. Google Tag Manager. Search here Google Tag Manager, and you can see there are many plugins cited by Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. So use this plugin GTM4WP. This plugin by Thomas Geyer. I have already installed and activated. So let's go to this plugin setting. So if you place the cursor on the setting, you will see here Google Tag Manager. Just click on the Google Tag Manager. Here there is an option to, you have to paste here. You can see here Google Tag Manager ID. You have to paste the Google Tag Manager ID here. So go to my Google Tag Manager and click here. You can copy it from here. You can copy it from here, or you can copy it from this code. So the best is copy from this code. So I have copied it. and let's go to the backend of your website and just paste here, and make sure that this is on, this container code on off, make sure this is one, and save this. So setting saved, it has been saved. So let's check whether the GTM code has been connected with this website or not. So to check that, first of all you have to download an extension which is called Tag Assistant Legacy. You can search here Tag Assistant Legacy. You can see here Tag Assistant Legacy. Here this is the Chrome extension. You have to add to your Chrome browser first, so I have already added it. Then let's go to your website and click on this icon. This is the Google Tag Assistant Legacy icon, extension icon, and click on enable. Then just click any page. As suppose I am clicking on this product, click anywhere, you will get the GTM here. You can see the GTM code, and this GTM code is, you can see the GTM code GTM KB926TM. You can check from here this GTM code and this GTM code is the same. So after that now I have connect this Google Tag Manager with this website through that Google Tag Manager plugin. Now I will connect this Google Analytics 4 with this website through Google Tag Manager. So for that I have to create a configuration tag. Let's delete it. I'm showing from the beginning. Click on new, give it a name, Google configuration tag. Here you have to select this Google Analytics GA4 configuration. Select GA4 configuration, and here you can see measurement ID. Enter the measurement ID. You have to paste the measurement ID from your Google Analytics. You can see the measurement ID. Just copy it from here. Copy and go to the Google Tag Manager and paste it. And scroll down. Trigger. You have to trigger this. So this is a configuration tag. So it will be on all pages. GA4. This will be GA4. Sorry, GA4 configuration tag. So click on triggering and select all pages and just save this. So I have done two things. One is connect this website with Google Tag Manager first, and connect this Google Analytics 4 with this website through Google Tag Manager. So I understand. You can submit this tag if you wish. So now I will check whether whether this Google Tag Manager, a Google Analytics 4, has been connected with this website or not. So to check that, you can check from here. If you click on okay, just click on another product testimonial. So I'm clicking GTM, and this global site tag, you can see the global site tag GS PNZ4Q. See this ID is same QM. Okay, let's see again. QM. Okay, this ID is same. This ID and this ID are same. So everything is okay. So now there is another way to check whether the Google Analytics 4 is connected on your website or not. Go to your website first, click anywhere and right click on your mouse and click on inspect. You will see the cookie. Google Analytics 4 send the cookie to your website. When you connect with that measurement ID through Google Tag Manager, it sends the cookie, and through that cookie everything can be tracked. So go to application and click on HTTPS developer, and here scroll down, you can see the GA cookie. This cookie is for Google Analytics 4. Google Analytics 4 send this is the GA4 ID, this is the unique ID, this is also called client ID. So Google Analytics send this client ID, and through this client ID you can differentiate every user, and Google Analytics 4 itself differentiate the every user through this client ID, because for every visitor the client ID is different. This is the client ID is different. And let me show you one thing here. If you search like Google Analytics Ctrl+R, you will see this is the request URL from Google Analytics, and this is the cookie. This is the cookie URL, and here you can see this is the client ID. This is the client ID, and the client ID and GFR ID is the same. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you want to hire me, you just message me on my WhatsApp, or you can email me. So thank you so much for watching my video.